Imagine a world where high-quality, personalized content is created in seconds. How is AI reshaping the landscape of content marketing? Well, let's dive into that together. Content marketing has evolved significantly over the years, with the advent of digital platforms and now the rise of artificial intelligence. Today, we stand on the brink of a new era where AI is not just an accessory, but a catalyst for innovation in content marketing. The digital world is becoming increasingly personalized, and consumers, they're not just demanding content, they're demanding content that resonates, that speaks to them on a personal level. Enter AI with its ability to analyze, learn, and adapt, promising to streamline the content creation process and deliver tailored, high-quality content at a speed and scale we've never seen before. As we delve into the world of AI in content marketing, we begin to see its transformative potential. Our journey into AI and content creation begins with a look at the past. How did we arrive at this point in the evolution of AI? The tale of AI in content creation is a fascinating one, filled with breakthroughs and milestones that have reshaped the landscape of digital marketing. It all started with simple algorithms, programmed to automate repetitive tasks and help marketers save precious time. As technology evolved, so did the capabilities of AI. It was no longer just about automation. The launch of tools like GPT-3, a language prediction model, marked a significant turning point. This AI could now generate human-like text, opening a world of possibilities for content creation. Suddenly, marketers were not just automating tasks, but creating entire articles, product descriptions, and social media posts with the help of AI. But the evolution didn't stop there. The introduction of content generators and chatbots took AI a step further. These tools could not only generate content, but also interact with users in real time, providing instant responses and even personalized recommendations. This was a game changer, providing marketers with a way to engage with consumers on a deeper, more personal level. The journey of AI in content creation has also been marked by challenges. Concerns about quality control, plagiarism, and bias have been raised. However, these are not insurmountable. By implementing rigorous quality checks and ethical guidelines, marketers can ensure that AI-generated content maintains a high standard of quality and credibility. Another key breakthrough in this evolution has been the shift towards data-driven content strategies. AI has proven instrumental in this, providing marketers with valuable insights into consumer behavior and preferences. These insights have enabled marketers to create highly targeted and effective content, further enhancing the potential of AI in content creation. Perhaps the most exciting part of this journey, however, is the potential for creative collaboration between humans and AI. Far from replacing human creativity, AI can complement it, providing marketers with a powerful tool to enhance their content creation process. The story of AI in content creation is a fascinating journey, one that's far from over. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, one thing is clear: AI is not just a tool for content creation. It's an integral part of the process, and its role is only set to grow in the future. AI is not just a tool, it's a game changer in the realm of content creation. What can AI do for us? Artificial intelligence, or AI, packs a powerful punch in the field of content creation. It's a game changer, delivering a slew of benefits that streamline and revolutionize the content creation process. Let's break it down. First, there's efficiency. AI can generate content at lightning speed, far surpassing the pace of even the most diligent human writer. It's like having a team of writers working around the clock without the need for coffee breaks, sleep, or vacations. Next, there's scalability. With AI, you can scale up content production at the drop of a hat. Need 1,000 product descriptions by tomorrow? No problem. AI can handle it. It's a marketer's dream come true. And let's not forget cost effectiveness. AI eliminates the need for large content teams, saving on labor costs. Plus, with the ability to produce high-quality content quickly, you're looking at a significant reduction in overall content production costs. Now, let's talk about the types of content AI can generate. The possibilities are, quite frankly, astounding. AI can craft everything from engaging articles and blog posts to compelling product descriptions. It can whip up social media posts that resonate with your target audience and draft email marketing campaigns that drive conversions. But it doesn't stop there. AI can adapt its tone and style to match your brand voice, ensuring consistency across all your content. Whether you're going for a casual, friendly tone or a more formal, authoritative style, AI can deliver. And the beauty of it all, AI can generate this content while incorporating SEO best practices and keyword research, helping your content rank higher in search engine results and reach a wider audience. So, whether you're a small business owner looking to ramp up your content marketing efforts or a marketing manager at a large corporation seeking to streamline your content creation process, AI can be your secret weapon. From articles to social media posts, AI is revolutionizing the way we create content. Your AI is more than a tool for creation, it's a strategy enhancer. How does AI fit into the future of content strategy? Artificial intelligence is not just revolutionizing content creation, it's reshaping content strategies as well. By leveraging AI, marketers can craft data-driven strategies that are more effective and efficient. Imagine a world where you can analyze billions of data points in seconds, uncovering trends and insights that would take a human team weeks or even months to discover. That's the power of AI. Moreover, AI is a game changer in the realm of content optimization, SEO, and keyword research. With AI, you can optimize your content for search engines in real time, ensuring your content is always relevant and visible. Additionally, AI can perform keyword research with unparalleled accuracy and speed, helping you target your audience more effectively. With AI, the future of content strategy looks brighter than ever.